electric moped, motor peddler, has now undergone evolution, because the driver is no longer a gasoline motor but electric motor. Such as Californian Onyx CTY and RCR products. Onyx itself is a startup company from California trying to revive mopeds. Motorcycle with pedal was extinct in the early 1990s. If nostalgic in the 1960s, then there are products branded DKW, or Sax or other European branded. In Indonesia now only the engine that is still used as a driver of motorized rickshaws in Pematangi and North Sumatra. The unique Onyx CTY and RCR, both characterized by the vintage style that reminds us back to the era of the 60s and 70s. CTY moped standard for driving in the city with 48 VDC battery, while RCR with dual batteries and a stronger motor for further exploration. Both began to be distributed in September 2018. Onyx CTY is equipped with an electric motor of 2.5 kilowatts, 3.3 bhp, and 160 Nm of torque, capable of reaching speeds of 48 km/h, the distance of 40 to 64 km, depending on the conditions of use. If desired, can be moved with stroke with pedal. It weighs 40 kilograms. To meet the latest lifestyle, CTY features USB 3.0 ports, backlit LCD display, NFC remote keys and apps available at Apple Store and Google Play to customize moped settings. The second model is Onyx RCR mopeds with stronger motors, 5.4 kilowatts, 7.2 horsepower, and 182 Nm of torque. RCR able to penetrate speed of 96 km/h. Acceleration 0 to 48 km/h in 4 seconds. With a full battery capable of traveling 121 miles before recharging the batteries. Both CTY and RCR are equipped with regenerative braking in 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport.